Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don of AhmedDon.com. Today I'll have another episode of unboxing and review video, and I'll be opening the Amazon Essentials watch, which I have it right here. So surprisingly, Amazon makes watches, and which I didn't know. So one day I came across this watch and I wanted to give it a try and do a review. And this is not a paid or affiliated review. All my reviews are unaffiliated, non-affiliated, unbiased and honest. I didn't get money from anyone. I purchased this with my own money, and there will not be any affiliate links, no, nothing. So I was able to gather some information about this watch. Amazon didn't provide a lot of information about this watch on its website. So this is the name of the watch is Amazon Essentials Easy Read Unisex Nylon Strap Watch. And then the case is 35 mm. The strap width is 17.7 mm, and this is actually supposed to be a military inspired weekender type of watch. And this is an inexpensive, simple and minimal type of watch. The price is about around $30 Canadian, and it has large face and numbers, and then it's a basic value watch because it's a very simple cheap watch. So I'll put this aside and then let's look at the box. So the box just came like this. There's not much information on the box as well, and then I'll just look at the model number. So it could be AE1001BKSV, and this is made in China. And so we have the box here, and so let's take it out and see how it looks like. So on this side of the box there's nothing. I'll just set it aside here, and then looks like we have some sort of protection here. I'll put it here, and then we have the watch inside. I'll just take it out and see if there's anything else in the box. So the box is empty, there's nothing else here, and I'll just leave this box here. And they have provided a small brochure with this watch. So we'll just we'll take a quick look at it. So here you can see this has even a 3-year warranty, and it has some basic instructions, how to adjust bracelet, and then how to set up the time and everything. So I'll just put it away. So here we have the watch. So let me just remove the backup cover packaging. And I think there is a plastic protection on top of it, so which I'll remove as well. Okay, so it comes off easily, as you can see. So I'll just put it in here. So here you're looking at the Amazon Essentials Easy Read Unisex Nylon Strap Watch. So let me just make it look nicer. It's kind of hard to see because of the black face or black background and white numbers, but I cannot actually tell right now how much of the camera is picking up, but hopefully it should be okay. So the first thing I'm noticing right away is that the face or glass, probably it's not even glass. I have a feeling that this is going to be some sort of plastic glass, and it's not flat. It's kind of round shaped, if you can feel it. So you can see that this is not really flat, but I like this glass to be flat, so this is not flat. And then the band or strap, actually this one it looks kind of cheap. It doesn't look very good quality, and it's hard to tell how long it's gonna last. So let me just remove the strap. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and the strap is a very basic strap, But I think you can change it, because just like you have to just buy other strap if something happens to this. But in terms of the watch, it's not a bad looking watch at all. And even surprisingly, this is 100-meter water resistant. That's something very surprisingly. And it has bold numbers, so you get 1 to 12, and then you have the minutes, so the hour or minutes, everything is in here. And it actually kind of tells here that 100-meter water resistant, but you cannot see it right now. And actually, I'm sorry, it looks like 100 feet, not 100-meter, so 100 feet water resistant. And let's look at the back of the watch. So on the back, it doesn't have much information, just Amazon Essentials, and then it says base metal bezel, stainless steel, and Japan movement, and again 100 feet water resistant. So I'm happy with the fact that you can wear it anywhere. You can swim, shower, go out in rain, so that shouldn't be a problem. And overall, this is not a bad looking watch at all, because of the cost and the simplicity of its designing. I like this watch, so I can wear it once in a while. So let me just wear this on my wrist, and then I'll have an idea how it looks. So if you look at it, it fits very nicely on my wrist, and I think because of the light it's going to be difficult to see, but let me see if I can make it better. Okay, so right now we should have a very good idea about how it looks on wrist when you wear it. So I have not too small wrist, not big wrist, and it fits very nicely on my wrist. So another factor they mentioned that this is a unisex watch, so definitely by looking at the size and its shape, it can be worn by females too. So this is not only men's watch, but it looks very good. It's kind of hard to tell that this is an inexpensive watch, and if it lasts a few years, I would be happy. I wouldn't expect anything from I wouldn't expect a lot from this watch. But overall, I'm happy with the product. I cannot complain about anything, except that I was expecting a flat face, the glass, but it's slightly round, which is not a big deal, because when you wear it, probably it's gonna be okay. And this is definitely a perfect weekender watch. You can wear once in a while, and even you can wear it when you swim or when you in the rain or anything. Thank you for watching this video. Forget about subscribing this channel, forget about liking this video. There will be more videos coming up, so I'll see you shortly. Thank you.